Hello everyone and welcome to Janet's Creative Flowers. In this video, we are going to learn how to make baby's breath flowers. We also call it Gypsophila. So I'll show you the flowers first. Yeah, these are baby's breath flowers. We also call it Gypsophila. Yeah, okay. First we will see the materials required to make these flowers. We need starched satin cloth, preferably white color. Most of the time baby's breath flowers are in white color. They also come in light pink, but mostly it is white color. Then a pair of scissors, floral tape, flower making wire, one piece, a glue gun and soldering machine. Okay, fine. So now let us start. I'll keep all these things aside. Yeah. Now take this starched cloth and some, I can say 1 centimeter, keep the width 1 centimeter and cut this. This much is enough. Yeah. This much. And now take the sponge. My sponge is all spoiled. Yeah. Now take the soldering machine. I have already heated it, and on the back side of the satin cloth, the rough side, okay, to half of the satin cloth, roll it like this. To half of the satin cloth, roll it like this. Do it some 2 to 3 times, because that one side has to be bended. Yeah. Now take the scissors and cut small pieces. Yeah. Okay. So this much is enough for one flower. Now take the flower making wire, fold it into two like this, and take glue, and from the front side apply glue whenever required. So I feel this much is enough. So I'm giving a cut here. Yeah. Take the floral tape and wrap it. We all know how to do it. So So here goes my Gypsophila ready, the baby's breath flower ready. This is a bunch of baby's breath flowers I have. This is how we make baby's breath flowers. Thank you for watching.